Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT continues to be caught in ongoing sideways price action here. We haven't broken out of the range. We're still holding above the invalidation point for the white scenario, which is the bullish case. But this is definitely getting challenged right now, right? So the white scenario, which is possible still, yeah, definitely getting challenged. Very close to invalidation, like $3.60. This August low is the invalidation point, and this is the scenario where, you know, we'd like to see a 5-wave move to the upside. And again, it's the white scenario, wave 1, which was the top in August, the 8th of August. The long wave 2, pretty unlikely actually that this is a wave 2, the way this is extending, but we're still holding that low. And then the third wave should take us to 592 roughly. Then we need to get a wave 4 and a wave 5. And actually I would need to shift all of this to the right because this wave 2 is so massive that the wave 4 should also extend further. And I have to adjust the upside targets based on the latest low. So normally what we want to see is the third wave get to the 1.38 extension. In this case now it's 564. But then we need to get a wave 4 as well and a wave 5. And only with a 5-wave move up, once this is completed, and it needs to be a certain magnitude, right? So, what we've seen from the August low, that rally is just too small. It is just too small. This is in no way different, or this still looks part of the decline. It looks as if it's part of the decline. So we need that 5-wave move up in circle 1 and the subsequent higher low in a wave 2 for a confirmation that this B wave bottomed actually on the 5th of August. Until then, we have a potential, but we don't have a confirmation. So that's the thing. So again, we haven't seen any breakout attempt really to the upside. Well, there have been a few attempts. There have been a few reactions to the support area, and it's been holding well, but now it broke. It broke, but we haven't got invalidation. That's why I always say below the 78.6 retracement, there's not an it's not automatically invalidated, but we are in this kind of weird no man's land where we are between that level and the 5th of August and the invalidation points, like no man's land, right? So that's what we're tracking in the white scenario. In the yellow wave count, the yellow count just shows us how that move to the downside would likely unfold if we continue to go lower. And it is not super clear, but we could be working on an internal 4th wave now maybe, before we then go down in a 5th wave of a C wave and so on. There's lots of layers here, which I don't want to go through, but this would be like one more low could send us down to roughly 280. And this scenario is very likely, but it would be invalidated as it is if there is a break above $4.60, which is why this is the first key level that needs to be broken. We are far away from that. We're not getting closer to that level. We're actually moving further away from it. And above that level, we have this important $5 level, and that hasn't changed since yesterday. These are really the next two key objectives for the bulls before we even should talk about that 564 level, right? And if we don't even get above that 460, there is no indication at all that a low is in play. So the bulls definitely need to show up here. I am very skeptical that they're going to do it, but the invalidation point is very clear. And if anybody wants to trade that third wave to the upside, the invalidation point is at the $3.60 level, right? But for anybody who wants a little bit more confirmation and a higher probability setup, those people should wait for 5 waves up and a 3-wave pullback, which would form a higher low, but that will take patience. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.